Welcome to the world of luxury, speed, and football greatness. Today, we're diving deep into the extravagant lifestyle of Lionel Messi. This football legend doesn't just score goals. He owns some of the most luxurious cars in the world. Stay tuned as we reveal the jaw-dropping details of Messi's incredible car collection. We all know that top footballers love luxury and comfort, and Lionel Messi is no exception. The 8 times Ballon d'Or winner and second highest goal scorer in football history doesn't joke around when it comes to living the high life. He is worth over $650 million. Messi's accolades include 3 Champions League titles, a FIFA World Cup, and even his own word in the dictionary, enmeshment, which means the perfect way to play football. With all these achievements, let's explore the top 7 cars owned by Lionel Messi and their staggering worth.
Number 7. Range Rover Vogue. First up is the Range Rover Vogue, worth over $180,000. This luxury SUV perfectly matches Messi's status and lifestyle. Step inside, and you're greeted by the finest materials, soft leather seats, real wood finishes, and shiny metal accents. The spacious cabin ensures Messi and his family travel in complete comfort, with heated, cooled, and massaging seats. The Touch Pro Duo infotainment system, digital driver display, and voice recognition make driving this car a tech-savvy experience. The V6 and V8 engine options provide a blend of performance and efficiency, with a smooth ride guaranteed by the advanced air suspension system. Messi's personalized Range Rover Vogue isn't just a car. It's a reflection of his style and taste. Number 6. Audi R8 V10 Spyder. Next, we have Messi's Audi R8 V10 Spyder, worth over $195,000. This car is all about luxury and performance, with a 5.2-liter V10 engine producing 540 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 198 miles per hour. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures great handling and stability, while the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission provides super quick gear changes. The R8 V10 Spyder's sharp lines and aerodynamic shape make it look fast, even when it's standing still. Inside, the car features fine Nappa leather and Alcantara materials, with a 12.3-inch digital display showing all essential info. The Bang & Olufsen sound system and driver assistance features add to the luxury and convenience of this supercar. Number 5. Ferrari F430 Spyder. At number 5 is the 2007 Ferrari F430 Spyder, worth over $215,000. This car has a 4.3-liter V8 engine producing 483 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, with a top speed of 193 miles per hour. The sleek, aerodynamic design and luxurious interior perfectly align with Messi's taste for sophistication and high performance. Owning such a car reveals Messi's extravagant side. The F430 Spyder is a statement of status and a testament to Messi's success and affluence. Number 4. The Maserati GranTurismo MC Stradale. Coming in at number 4 is the 2012 Maserati GranTurismo MC Stradale, worth over $250,000. This car combines Italian craftsmanship with advanced engineering, featuring a 4.7-liter V8 engine producing 444 horsepower. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, with a sleek design and luxurious interior that mirror Messi's precision and finesse on the football pitch. For Messi, driving this car isn't just about speed and power. It's about enjoying the finer things in life. The GranTurismo MC Stradale is a statement of his success and refined taste. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. Next up is the Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, worth over $450,000. With its distinctive gull-wing doors, this car exudes a unique blend of classic elegance and modern innovation. It boasts a 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating driving experience with a top speed of around 197 miles per hour and an acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The luxurious interior, advanced technology, and meticulous craftsmanship complement Messi's luxury lifestyle perfectly. This car is not just a mode of transportation for Messi, but a statement of his taste and status. Number 2. Pagani Zonda Tricolore. In the number 2 spot is the Pagani Zonda Tricolore, worth over $7 million. This car is one of only 3 produced, making it incredibly exclusive. Designed to honor the Italian Air Force aerobatic team, Tricolore, it features a carbon fiber body with clear blue lacquer and tricolor stripes. Powered by a Mercedes-Benz AMG V12 engine producing around 670 horsepower, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and reaches a top speed of 220 miles per hour. The interior features the finest materials and advanced aerodynamics, making every drive an unparalleled experience of luxury. Messi's acquisition of this car highlights his appreciation for cutting-edge technology, design, and exclusivity. Number 1. Ferrari 335 S Spider Scaglietti. Finally, the crown jewel of Messi's collection is the 1957 Ferrari 335 S Spider Scaglietti, worth over $37 million. Why would Messi, a modern-day football legend, be so enamored with a car that's over 6 decades old? This car is a masterpiece of automotive art, with only 4 ever made. It boasts a 4.0-liter V12 engine producing 390 horsepower, capable of hitting speeds over 300 kilometers per hour. Owning this car is like owning a piece of racing history. It competed in prestigious races like the Mille Miglia and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Messi's choice to buy this car celebrates excellence across different eras and recognizes the pinnacle of performance, both on the field and on the road. Despite its age, the car's interior is a mix of vintage charm and sophisticated craftsmanship. It's a story of racing heritage, luxury, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. That's it for today's deep dive into Lionel Messi's car collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of luxury and performance cars. See you next time.